Hello and welcome to today's video where we're looking at a Grundig colour changing egg light with remote control. 7 changing colours on off, and let's open it up. This is available from Poundland and it's priced at the minute at £5, which they'll probably reduce because I can't imagine anybody wanting one. And we have instructions here. In different languages. Remote control comes in plastic sleeve and it has a battery installed by the looks of it. And the battery is a 225 again. We have on, off, mode, 4 hour, 8 hour, multicolour and different changing colours. So let's open it up. And it has it on off here, which is already set off. And it takes 3 AAA batteries. Luckily, I have some. Doesn't seem to want to go in. Right, and we shall close it up and see what we get. And we have, I'm not sure, pinkish white light, red, yellow, green, bluish green, turquoise, purple, and back to white. So let's see if we can switch this off. And it actually works. Mode. Green, blue, I'm sure it's brown but looks orange. That's a green button and it looks like blue. Purple and it looks like blue. Yellow and it looks like wee colour. Turquoise and it looks like blue. I'm sure that button there is obviously some kind of brownish colour, and it's purple, grey. It still looks like light purple, green, looks like turquoise, and red, reddish brown. And it looks like pink. So obviously the buttons don't seem to be matching what I'm pressing colour wise, obviously because it's a cheap LED RGB lighting system. So red, green, at least like green matches green. That's dark. Dark blue, and it's like light blue. Brown comes out orange. Green, there's not green. Brown is blue. Yellow is wee colour. Turquoise is, or is that light blue? Light blue is obviously light blue. just. Right, so that's a quick look at the Grundig egg RGB lighting system, colour changing, and a complete waste of money by the looks of it. And thank you, and check back for more videos soon.